models can analyze a wider range of data points, including social media sentiment, weather patterns, and economic indicators, to provide more accurate and granular demand predictions. This helps businesses respond proactively to changing market dynamics. AI can optimize delivery routes in real time, considering factors like traffic conditions, weather patterns, and delivery time windows. This minimizes transportation costs, reduces delivery times, and lowers fuel consumption. AI-powered inventory management systems can automate stock replenishment, optimize warehouse space utilization, and minimize stockouts and overstocking. This ensures that businesses have the right amount of inventory on hand to meet demand without incurring unnecessary holding costs. Real-world success stories, AI in action. Companies across industries are reaping the benefits of AI-powered supply chain management. Amazon leverages AI extensively throughout its supply chain. From demand forecasting to delivery route optimization, AI plays a pivotal role. Walmart uses AI to optimize its supply chain, improving efficiency and reducing costs. DHL enhances its operations with AI-powered sensors and tracking devices. These examples showcase AI's transformative potential in supply chain management. Navigating the AI integration journey. Successful AI implementation in supply chain management requires careful planning. Integration with existing systems is crucial. Ensuring seamless data flow and process automation is key. Data quality and security are paramount. Ethical considerations are vital. Addressing these ensures a successful AI integration journey. The future of supply chains. Intelligent and agile. AI is transforming supply chain management from a cost center into a strategic differentiator. By leveraging the power of AI, businesses can build more intelligent, agile, and resilient supply chains capable of navigating the complexities of the modern marketplace. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in supply chain management. From autonomous vehicles and drones for last-mile delivery to predictive maintenance and self-healing supply chains, the future holds immense possibilities. The companies that embrace AI and integrate it effectively into their supply chain operations will be the ones that thrive in the years to come. The era of intelligent supply chains is here, and the time to act is now.